Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Analytics for website tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Analytics for website tracking, start by visiting the Google Analytics website. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the Start Measuring button. You will be prompted to fill in your account name. Enter a name that you will easily recognize. Next, configure the data sharing settings according to your preference. Click Next to proceed. Now, you will set up a property. Enter your property name, such as your website's name. Select your time zone and currency. Click Next to continue. In this section, you'll answer questions about your business. Select your industry category from the drop-down menu. Choose your business size and what you intend to use Google Analytics for. Click Create to finalize your property. Read and accept the Terms of Service and Data Processing Amendment. You will then be taken to the Property Setup page. Here, select the platform you want to track, web, iOS, or Android. Choose Web to start tracking a website. Input your website's URL and name. Pick the appropriate industry category and reporting time zone. Click Create Stream to finalize this step. You will be presented with a web stream details page. Here, note the measurement ID that you'll need later. Next, you have to add the tracking code to your website. Copy the global site tag, tag.js, code provided on this page. Open your website's HTML files or CMS dashboard. For WordPress, you can use a plugin or insert the code directly into the header.php file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.